Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Afterpay eligible retailers. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to make purchases and pay for them in installments. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of finding and shopping with Afterpay eligible retailers. Firstly, it is essential to understand what Afterpay is and how it works. Afterpay is a payment service that allows customers to make purchases and pay for them in 4 installments. The service is available online and in-store at participating retailers. To get started with Afterpay, you need to create an account on the Afterpay website or mobile app. Once you have created an account, you can browse the list of Afterpay eligible retailers on the website or app. The list includes a wide range of retailers across various categories such as fashion, beauty, and home goods. When shopping with Afterpay eligible retailers, you can use the service to make purchases online or in-store. To use Afterpay online, simply select the Afterpay payment option at checkout and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. In-store, you can use the Afterpay app to generate a barcode that the retailer can scan to process your payment. Some popular Afterpay eligible retailers include fashion brands such as Zara and H&M, beauty retailers such as Sephora and Mecca, and home goods retailers such as Freedom and Adairs. You can also use Afterpay to make purchases at major department stores such as Maya and David Jones. To ensure a smooth shopping experience with Afterpay eligible retailers, it is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of the service. This includes understanding the payment schedule and any fees that may apply if you miss a payment. In conclusion, shopping with Afterpay eligible retailers is a convenient and flexible way to make purchases. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create an account with Afterpay, browse the list of eligible retailers, and make purchases online or in-store. Remember to always read and understand the terms and conditions of the service to ensure a smooth shopping experience.